Hi, everybody. It's Olivia with Freedom at the Mat. I am so honored that you've chosen to spend some time on your self-care today, and even more honored and grateful that you chose to spend it with us. Today, we're going to talk about living the lives that we want to live. I invite you right now to find a place of calm, find a place of ease for your body, your mind, and your spirit as we dedicate the next 3 to 5 minutes to our self-care. So, people always say that life is short. And I think for many of us, we know that, but we live our lives, many of us, every single day as if there's going to be a guaranteed tomorrow. What I want us to really go deeply into today is examining the lives we're currently living next to the lives we want to be living. So in this moment, I invite you to find a position of ease. Make sure that you have no distractions around you or minimal distractions. If you'd like to take one hand placed across your heart, one across your belly, and just find your inhale and your exhale. Nothing too fancy, just inhale and exhale. Often taking the time for self-care means you have to eschew other things. So whatever you've done before and whatever you're doing afterwards, I invite you to allow for that to vacate your brain. Focus right now your inner gaze on the space between your two eyebrows, and then just find your breath. I will count us in for 2 rounds of breathing, 2 rounds of 4, 2, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. So today, the question that we ask ourselves is, are you living the life that you want to live? I ask because I know for myself that I am asked to do things every single day. And I need to make decisions around if I will and if I won't based on if they are additive to my life or if they subtract from my life. So I'm going to start with asking us, are you grateful for what and who is already in your life? I am certainly clear, abundantly clear, that we do not get to choose our families. Many of us do not get to choose our circumstances. And many of us do not get to choose what happens to us once we leave our homes, and sometimes in our homes. But I also understand that those situations, while they threaten to define us, have a greater opportunity to shape us. So can you find gratitude for what is in your life and who is already in your life? Even if these people don't bring you the greatest joy, perhaps you have a complicated relationship with a loved one or coworker or spouse, someone. Is there any gratitude you can find for what they do bring? Number 2, I ask us, what is it that you want in life that you do not already have? Joel Osteen, a minister that many of us know in the United States, said a long time ago, many of us don't ask for things because we truly don't believe that we will get them or that we're worthy of them. So if you were to say, what I really want in my life that I don't have without any fear, what would that be? Then I would ask you, why is the life that you're currently living in need of expansion? What do you envision that thing that you want to have in your life is going to give to you? Then I ask you, why do you actually want what you want? Do you want it because you genuinely, authentically have a craving for it in your soul? Which is the best feeling in the world. You just want it because you want it. Or is it that you want it because your friends want it? I've been honest with myself about different things in my life. And there have been several things that I wanted because my friends wanted. And that's okay. I've forgiven myself. Give yourself some grace, right? We all fall subject to peer pressure. But why do you really want what you want? And lastly, do you believe you are worthy of the life that you desire? You have not because you ask not. A lot of times we don't believe that we are deserving of the lives that we envision in our dreams. Can you right now close your eyes as we close this meditation? Taking in a breath and exhale. See what it is that you authentically want because your soul craves it. What feelings fall fresh upon you? How has your life changed? May God be with you. Ashe.